G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I am here under it's like a highway. Some cool pictures and all that have been been drawn on all the pylons. I don't know how they do that, but anyway, I found some water and I got my underwater drone. So the Dory, if you not familiar with this, I did a review on this, sponsored by Chasing. Actually, this is a cool little underwater drone. So I thought we might set it up here and do a bit of exploring in this calm bit of water here under the highway and see what we can find. This one's got a 15-meter tether. You connect one end into the Wi-Fi buoy and the other into the back of Dory, and it boots up just like that. Generate some satellites while we set up our app. Now this works through the Chasing app. So the Wi-Fi buoy, you connect your phone into the Wi-Fi buoy via the Wi-Fi network, and it talks to it and receives the image underwater. I find this is a very popular little piece of equipment. A lot of people like to ask you questions about it. In some cases, a little bit more than flying the planes. So I've never thought that would happen, but she was wondering if I'd spotted any crocodiles in here. No. Well, what'd you see, guys? I don't know, I couldn't see a great deal. A few little fish there. But yeah, that's the underwater dory. See you next video.